bro? It's your brother Mike Prophet, 144K, man. Back again with another video as usual, man. Giving y'all that good content. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. If you already subscribed to the channel, I appreciate you for subscribing to the channel, man. Keep supporting me, man. Road to 100K, not 100K, road to 1K. I'm at almost like 600 subscribers. I need like less than 20 some subscribers. So I appreciate y'all, the ones that subscribe to me when y'all watching my videos. But this is gonna be a real quick video, man. We about to get into installing a front splitter. So let me show y'all the splitter real quick. Like this, on the front side. So if you know me, I get all my parts from eBay. I actually do have some side skirts that I have right now, but I ordered the wrong size, so I'm gonna do another video on that as well. It was gonna be a separate video anyway, but I'm gonna do another video on it and return it, and I got some on the way right now for these side skirts. It's supposed to be 86 millimeters, but I ordered a 76 millimeters. It's on eBay. I think they're like 40 bucks. I got this for like about the same price, like $47. So once again, as you didn't know me, I got my parts from eBay. Everything I get from eBay. If I don't get it from eBay, I'm getting it from the OEM manufacturer, Mopar. I'm getting it from AutoZone, whatever it might be. But other than that, man, this is how I got my bad. This is how the side looks. So this is just the left side. I got the little flare or fender little thing right there. This is how it looks. This is finna be an easy, real quick install. Obviously, the parts come with some screws and stuff like that. So, man, let's get into the video. So what you want to do first is make sure you jack the car up. If you have like an SUV or something, or if you think you have enough clearance, you don't have to jack it up. But especially on these Dodge Chargers, make sure you jack it up so you have some more clearance, so you have some room work to actually drill it in. And you need to use a power drill for this. If you use a screwdriver, it's going to take you all damn day. So make sure you have a power drill. So what you want to do is you can start from either left or to the, you can either go from left to right or right to left. But you want to make sure when you at the corner that it lines up with that rubber guard. It's sticking out in the video, is right in front of the splitter. It's pretty common sense, but make sure you put it right next to that. It's going to line up perfectly when you do that. So make sure it's like that, and then you're pretty much good to go. You might need extra screws as well. Because the screws that come with it, it's not enough. In my opinion, it's not enough. I did use all of them. And they're not long enough as well. So you might need longer screws as well. So just be an FYI on that. But other than that, man, just watch the install. It's pretty simple. I use these screws, regular screws. I'm trying to show y'all where I put them at. So I put 2 screws right there. The screws that come with it are short, so you might have to get aftermarket screw, not aftermarket, but just some extra longer screws. I put screws right here. I put a screw right here. These are longer screws. Longer screws. These are screws that come with it that attach to the 6 pieces. And then pretty much all the way along, I'll put more screws in there. So I don't know how many screws it came with, but it came in this bag right here. But it didn't come with enough screws in my opinion. But good thing I always keep extra screws. So it looks pretty good in my opinion. I'm pretty much, I'm gonna show y'all in the morning what it looks like. It looks pretty clean, man. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I think I got this, I believe I got this for like 47 bucks on eBay. Yeah, I got it for like $47, $50 plus tax or whatever like that. But I'm gonna show y'all the outside how it looks. It looks pretty clean, man. It really does. Like, I'm gonna give y'all this look, but it looks pretty clean. That looks dope as hell. I do want to end up changing these headlights. I really don't care for them too much, but I do want to change them because these are old. It will make it even look even better with the splitter in the front. But also, like I said, once again, be on the lookout for the side skirt video. I have a box right here. They're just too short. I ordered the wrong box once again. But man, that's pretty much the end of the video. Let me know what y'all think about the video, man. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about the video. Is it good? Is it not good? Whatever it might be. Once again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. It's your brother Mike Prophet, 144K. I'm out, man. Peace.
He get on the beat, oh.